Hello, this is Robert Cooper, and I'm learning Elgg 6, 5, and 6 actually, just like a lot of people. I've only been using it for about a month now, and I've created several sites, and I found a few things that I want to point out for other people. There's not much videos out there on YouTube or Rumble concerning Elgg. The videos were going strong when it was 10 years ago, but for some reason the last 5 years or so there's hardly anything. And I don't think it's because the system's hard to use, because that is not true. It is very easy to use. It's very how should I put it, well designed. There's a few issues, but I want to point out something I found out today. You have two views. This view is where, let's say, you'll see where it says administration. I'm the admin right now, and on this version of Elgg 6 installed on one of my hosting plans, this is the view that the user would see. Then if you click on where it says administration, you'll get this view. And right now I've got you can see where I got the registration turned off because it's just a testing site. Well, under the administration you can do things like set the site configuration. I turn all these off because I'm only using English. I make it so no one can change the language. I leave the cache on like that, although I've had problems if I change it, so I don't change it on the cache. And there's some other, you can set it for username, you can set it for display name. Display name be like Robert, my real name. Username would be like Robert, that kind of thing. And then other kinds of settings. But the power behind this is the plugins. And there's quite a few of them that get activated from the default, right? What I want to show you right now is about the front page demo. There is I don't have it installed right now, but there is a Elgg theme that it gives you much more advanced front page, and I'll cover that in another video. But this is the default setup. This Elgg hooks is really important because it allows you to put well, I'll show you. It allows you to take and ban, basically, that P don't work on this here, to ban the available objects, the class, the element, from the CKEditor version 5 that's installed in Elgg 6. It also allows you to put up here in the header, and I put keywords up here in the keyword description, and then it's the content. I could probably show you that too, and down the footer you can put down like visit Facebook or something. You just add it like that, so it actually puts it so these will be at the very top of every page here and at the very bottom of the page. But this here is key because this allows you to do embedded iframes from Rumble and YouTube in the CKEditor, and that's what I want to show you right now. So one of the plugins is this front page demo, and it's activated. I'm gonna go to settings, and I already set this up, and what I'm using is section is a tag within HTML. You can also use the div, but the section you can put a description in the section. I haven't done that, but you can actually put description with the section to tell you about the section that you've got, because it's hard to just look at this. The visual part looks good. You can tell it's a bunch of embedded videos from Rumble and YouTube, mostly from Rumble, I think. And the problem was, if you don't use section or div to enclose your iframes, they go away. They just disappear because the P paragraph section is basically for text, and the way this is set up, they'll go away. So the trick to get around that, and that's considered a bug within CK5 editor, and maybe it is, I'm not sure, but I've looked at I was helped on one of the forums today by a gentleman that's done 30 of these plugins. Very guys may be really smart. I'll cover that later on too in another video. So adding section or using div to enclose your iframes, your embedded iframes and script from YouTube and Rumble will give you this. And what it looks like is, let me go over to it. I'll open a different browser so I'm not in the administrator when I do this. I'll open this and we're going to go to Lowe's Camp Elgg testing, and that's what it looks like. This is just a test, but the thing is, these are fully functional and they play. Here's a program that I wrote, back in 2018. Let me turn it off. Back in 2018, I wrote a program that generates Powerball numbers. It's runs on Linux. So that was basically what I'm going to show you. And let me just let's see, anything else. I think that'll be enough for this this video. I'll make some more. All right, thank you.